Sprawling, immaculate, updated, 3-bedroom ranch on 2 acres of park-like property. The lawn looks like a golf course and is completely open and usable. Located right near KITTATINY High School, the location is extremely desirable. Huge, open floor plan between the living room and dining room, each with a triple window and skylight that drench the rooms with natural sunlight. The large, updated kitchen offers walls of cabinets and counter space, giving you so much room to truly enjoy preparing meals for everyone and giving you plenty of room for all your gadgets. Large window over the kitchen sink overlooks the magnificent property. Appliances have never been used, primary bedroom with large double closet, built-in shelving and a private half bath. 2 other good-sized bedrooms on this level and both the bathrooms are updated. Full basement spanning the length of the home offers high ceilings, giving it excellent opportunity for finishing. 2-car attached garage has taller overhead doors, built-in shelving and a separate entrance to the yard. New natural gas furnace, windows, counters, flooring and everything is in excellent condition. Rear deck and patio overlooking the golf course, only kidding, I mean the yard. Dog kennel, oversized shed with electricity, and all of this is surrounded by trees, making it an oasis you can truly enjoy.